Okay, I'm going to show you how to add locations to the COUG website. So we're going to log into the admin section of the COUG website, and then we're going to click on Site Settings and Categories. Then we're going to right-click on Locations, and we're going to click on Add a Subcategory to this category. And then we're just going to simply type in the category name, and to keep it consistent, we want to have the city name first, followed by the street name without any street numbers. Then we're going to hit save. Alright, that's all that we need to do there. Now we need to move up into Web Apps, and we're going to click on Locations. Alright, and we're going to add an item. Okay, again, we're going to use the city name first, followed by the street name. Let's just type that in there. Okay, this particular one has a location photo. Let's show you how to load it from your computer. So we're just going to go to Load from My Computer. We're going to click the Browse to Upload, and then we're going to navigate until we see the picture that we want. This one's towards the bottom because it's Wilson Bridge Road. There you go. Alright, we're going to insert that. Let's see how it's uploading. It might take a moment. Alright, good. Now we're going to add the city, state, and zip. We don't have a suite number on this particular one. Okay, city, state, and zip. Great, now we're going to add the street address. You know, I'm going to put West up in this top one too. Alright, and then you can see the doctor at this location, number 1, and all that. That's where we would select our doctors once we know who they are. And then this next step is going to seem a little redundant, but it's important because it's what makes the Google map work. So here we're going to be sure to enter in our address again. Okay, then we're just going to save the item, and then we're going to take a look at what we've got. Okay, so here I am looking at the home page. Make sure it was added. We're going to go at the bottom just to make sure it was added there. There it is, Worthington, West Bridge Road, Worthington. Okay, let's go ahead and click that and see. Uh-oh, something's going on here. It doesn't look like it belongs on this website. So if this happens to you, let's take a look at how to fix it. Okay, we're going to go back to the web app, and you see where it says template. Well, I guess we're going back. Got a little click happy here. So if you did the same thing, we want to find the Worthington location. We want to click on it. And then template. That's what we're going to change. And any of one of these one column templates, I think I'm going to do the young and playful one. Let's see. This just describes the picture in the top bar. Okay, so now we see that the Google map is missing from this page. So I'm going to show you how to make sure that you get that added to the location page. So we're going to go back in to the admin section of the COUG website. We're going to click on the Worthington location in Web Apps. And then we're going to go all the way to the bottom and We're going to click on those brackets because we don't want all those other icons to be showing. And we're going to go over to where it says Web Apps. I'm going to click it. And then we're going to choose List of Web App Items on a Map. Okay, so once that comes up, we're going to choose Locations. And then we're going to check Individual Item. And then the item, we're just going to scroll down and choose the Worthington location. And that looks good. We don't need to customize anything here. So all we have to do now is hit Insert and Update. And now we'll go check our work. Be sure to hit the refresh button. And you see there is our map. But it doesn't really look like how we want it to look. It's kind of shaped funny, so I'm going to show you how to fix that next. Okay, the reason it doesn't work is we need to wrap it in a div. So here, I'm going to show you how to do that. Put a less than sign, div, space, class, equals, quote, flex, hyphen, video, quote, and bracket, and then we're going to go all the way to the end, close out our div with a less than, slash, div, and then greater than. And if you can't remember this, just open up the web app for a location that's working properly. And here we are. See? You can see that it worked. So what I was saying is go to a web app that's working properly and compare what the tags are there to your new one, and you can copy and paste from there. Now I'm going to show you how to use the categories that we set up in the very beginning to make sure that they show up on the doctor's individual profile page. So I'm going back into that Wilson Road record. I'm clicking it, and I'm going to Action, Classify this item. And then I'm going to scroll until I find the doctors who are in this location. And right now I don't know who they're going to be, but I'm just going to go ahead and put Dr. Barkin in there. So click on that and say Close, and that's all you got to